Welcome back to the Marketing Properties YouTube channel, where we talk all things property market with hints and tips and so much more. Today we're going to be talking about the extreme increase in building material prices and also the cost of labour as well. So if you're ready, let's get to it. UK homeowners have been faced with severe delays and higher bills as tradesmen struggle to find reasonably priced essential materials, which has had a severe impact on production and also their livelihoods as well. Such high demand for certain materials has led to a significant price increase when it comes to concrete, timber, taps, copper, and all of the other essential items that a builder may need for the most typical of projects. Because prices for materials have gone up so high, a typical job has had a 10 to 15% price increase, which has led to some pretty uncomfortable conversations. If a builder has perhaps priced up a job months in advance, they've then had to go back out to their clients and request more money, and if there's not enough in the pot to pay for the project to be finished, some are actually going on hold or being abandoned altogether. According to Noble Francis, who is the Economics Director for Construction Products Association, here is a list of all of the items and the amounts that they have increased by. So timber has gone up the most dramatically and has seen an 80% increase in the past 6 to 9 months. Copper has also seen an increase of around 40%. Paints and varnishes by 30%. Steel and other metals have gone up by 40%. And polymers have faced an increase of around 60%. Francis has also stated that labour costs will always dominate over materials, as a lot of the projects involved are very labour intensive. According to James Talman, who is the Chief Executive of the National Federation of Roofing, the shortage of supplies has been particularly troublesome for most roofers, as the price of timber battens, steel beams, and plastic insulation has also seen a vast increase of around 50%. And the squeeze faced by UK roofers is said to be unparalleled in living memory. Members of certain associations have advised roofers and tradesmen to have uncomfortable but clear conversations with clients about lead time and price increases. So as you can appreciate, it's been a very difficult time at the moment for both UK homeowners, but in particularly tradesmen who are struggling with the basic materials that they would need to complete most construction jobs. But the main question is, why has this happened? How has this occurred? Well, the production of building materials was severely affected by the original lockdown, which saw most factories and timber mills closed. Since reopening their doors, they have struggled to produce materials in line with the increased demand that they have experienced. Because of government guidelines surrounding COVID, it's been impossible to have all the workers return to the mills and factories. It's also been said that problems started to arise when the volume of new houses being built was at its highest in the past decade. Labour costs have also seen a dramatic increase, and this is for a few reasons. COVID restrictions has meant that there have been less builders on site, there have been less builders and tradesmen able to work. This has directly resulted in many homeowners waiting up to 3 months longer for new kitchens and bathrooms to be installed, as there are simply not enough fitters to deal with the increased demand in projects. Builders have said that they're also struggling to recruit bricklayers, joiners, and even general labourers to help take on the workload. The labourers that have been able to turn up to work and have had the supplies are actually charging double the amount for their time, as projects tend to be much more labour intensive now because they're working with much smaller teams or alone. And there you have it, a very difficult time for the building associations, the tradesmen, the builders, and UK homeowners that are perhaps sat on projects that they are unable to start or they're unable to complete. If you have a property where perhaps you've started a project or you want to move quickly because you're sick of the sight of your house, you've been in lockdown for so long and you want to move on to other things, then I can put Mark's information in the description box down below. He can give you a fair and fast cash offer for your property regardless of the condition. Even if you have an unfinished project, please do get in touch. I'll put the information in the description. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions for Mark, make sure you put those in the comments box down below and I'll get him to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.